Use makeup remover to cleanse the face of dirt, oil, and makeup. Cleanse the face using a facial cleanser, and then evenly apply toner. Settings. Time, 10 minutes. EMS energy level, 3. EL energy level, 3. Apply some facial serum to the treatment area and spread it evenly. EMS and EL stimulates cell regeneration and enhances nutrient absorption. Move the handle in circular motions across 3 facial areas, glide upward along the chin, sweep from the center of the face to the side of the cheek, and lift upward toward the hairline on the forehead. Cleanse the face with a washcloth. Settings. Time, 10 minutes. RF energy level, 3. Suction duration, 0.5. Release duration, 0.2. RF mode, NOR. The suction duration should exceed the release time. Adjust the suction intensity based on individual endurance. RF and suction lifts, tightens, and enhances skin elasticity. Apply essential oil to the face and evenly spread it across the entire face. Glide the handle across 3 facial areas. Move upward along the chin, sweep from the center of the face to the side of the cheek, and lift upward toward the hairline on the forehead. Cleanse the face with a washcloth. Secure the head with a strap and place the small laser pads on the chin area. Lipo laser reshapes the jawline profile. Settings. Time, 20 minutes. Energy level, 3. Mode, M1. Activate the treatment and wait for 20 minutes. Take out the laser pads and remove the strap. Apply a mask to the face. Remove the mask and cleanse the face. Apply toner, serum, and cream. Gently apply essential oil to the back. Settings. Time, 15 minutes. RF energy level, 3. Suction duration, 0.5. Release duration, 0.2. RF mode, NOR. The suction duration should exceed the release time. Adjust the suction intensity based on individual endurance. RF and suction body. Dampness expulsion, detoxification, skin firming, and body shaping. Push the dew channel in 3 sections. Push the whole dew channel on the back. Push the bladder meridian in 3 sections. Push the bladder meridian. Glide the handle in circular motions along bladder meridian to Beliao point. Move the handle back and forth on Dabin meridian from the neck. Move the handle back and forth on the scapulothoracic joint. Wipe the back with a towel.